Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the viewing restriction on Netflix. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And just follow me guys if you have. So now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app or go to your Netflix website and then log in with your account, and then just choose the profile that you use to watch the Netflix. And once you do it, you'll be over here in this particular platform. And now from here, just go to all the way to your top right corner where you'll find this profile option, and then go to accounts from here, and you'll be over here. So now, as you want to do that, so what you have to do is on your left hand side you'll be having the options which are like this. Just go with the profile option and then go to your account, and once you are over here, why is it taking so long? So let it load for a while, just have some patience guys. And now from here, let's go to viewing restrictions. And now firstly just confirm your password, and now you'll see the line is over here. Just you can choose 16 plus, or you can choose 13 plus, you can choose 18 plus, like this, and just save it. You can enter your movie that you want to, let's say, restrict as well. And that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, so thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys, thank you for watching.